In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a calendar in Notion. Whether you're new to Notion or looking to expand your productivity toolkit, integrating a calendar can help you manage tasks, deadlines, and appointments all in one seamless application. We'll guide you through the entire process with clarity and provide some additional insights along the way. So, let's dive in and get your calendar set up in Notion. First, start by opening Notion on your computer and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in your Notion workspace, locate the profile icon. It's typically situated at the top right corner of your screen. Clicking this icon will open up a drop-down menu, giving you access to more personal settings. This is where you can begin to make customizations specific to your needs. Next, from the drop-down menu, select Settings. This leads you directly into Notion's settings page where you can configure various options for your account, workspace, and integrations. You'll use this area to fine-tune how Notion works for you. And today, we're focusing on adding a calendar. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the different tabs available, as they offer plenty of opportunities beyond just calendars to enhance your workspace. Now, look for the Mail and Calendar option within the settings. This section is specifically designated for managing your email and calendar integrations. Click on it to proceed. Integrating your calendar here means you're on your way to streamlining tasks and events through Notion, and it's an efficient way to keep everything centralized. Once you're in the Mail and Calendar section, locate the Add Calendar button. Clicking this will begin the process of adding a new calendar to your Notion setup. Depending on what you need, this could involve connecting an existing calendar like Google Calendar or setting up an entirely new one to incorporate schedules directly within Notion. After pressing Add Calendar, a new interface or pop-up window will likely appear. Here, you may need to select the type of calendar you want to integrate, such as a Google Calendar or another calendar service. If you're linking to a service you've previously used, ensure you're logged into that service in another tab for a seamless connection. This integration helps in syncing events, increasing your workflow continuity. Finally, follow the on-screen prompts to complete the setup. These prompts may ask for certain permissions or additional information, like which specific calendar to sync if you have multiple ones. Carefully read through each instruction to ensure everything aligns with what you want. Congratulations! Once you've gone through these prompts,